nurturing, creating relationships requires a consistent approach, but not a one-time huge approach or a one-time huge effort. It requires small efforts consistently. And that is how relationships are built. And now comes a very important question. Why is networking so important? Why do we need to do networking? As a student, I am completing all my assignments on time. I am securing good grades. I am attending all the lectures in the college. I am also doing the scheduled industrial projects as per the college curriculum. When I am fulfilling all the conditions that are required as a student, why do I need to spend more time on networking? Why do I need to spend efforts on networking? The world is disrupting, and this disruption is going on for last many years. But there is a huge chunk of people, a huge chunk of students who have not been able to understand this disruption. There could be many reasons. Either they don't really want to understand it, or they know it but they are not able to cope up with it, or they think, and this is equally applicable for the students, if I am in one of the best if I am doing a good course on engineering or management, and if I am securing the good grades, then definitely I'll get a job. And as I said earlier, lakhs and lakhs of students are doing the same thing. So if you keep following the traditional route, then you are part of the crowd. With the disruptions which are going on, these disruptions are not waiting for anyone. If you do not change yourself, then believe me, your survival will be difficult. The business models are disrupting. The speed of disruption is tremendous. The skills that are required are changing every day, and the technology is also changing. And if you do not accept this, or if you are not seeing these changes and not adapting yourself, then you are at a risk.